Good evening everyone, I'm back, CryptoWares. It's been a while since I made a video, but a lot is happening currently in the Bitcoin world and crypto world, so I thought let's go online. Here you see a chart that shows the Google trend searching for the term Bitcoin. You see here that at the end of last year a lot of more people were searching on the term Bitcoin. So I think there might be a lot of new people that came into the Bitcoin world and bought Bitcoin that might be a little bit in panic because of the drop we are currently experiencing. But I thought let's go online and share some facts about Bitcoin, hopefully to put people more at ease. Here you see trading view, the Bitcoin US dollar chart. And when you look at this, let's say on the weekly chart with the Heikin-Ashi candles, let me reset it here. You see that this is the spike we had in 2017. This is the spike we've just recently had, around $42,000. Every candle here represents 1 week, and you see here, yes, there is a drop. We came from here, or at least we were there, we visited that point. We started here and we went up and went there, but are going down now. When you look at this chart, it doesn't look all that alarming, does it? Of course, when I go down to a lower time frame, for example the 4 hour, that might look a lot of red here, so that might look awful. But keep it in perspective. When I put it back in the usual candlesticks and measure it from the top to where the bottom has been, it's around 28% the drop that we've seen so far. Of course, I don't know if Bitcoin is done dropping now, but is that unusual? Well, let's take a little look back to the past. Here you see a chart for 2016, around here, 17, 18. Well, here you see marked some drops that already took place in Bitcoin. 24%, 21, 39, 34, 32 almost, 38, 37, 29. So you might say it's quite common that these drops happen. So don't panic. Well, it's in the technical analysis of cryptocurrencies, but also Forex. There are a lot of patterns you can recognize, and one of them is called the Elliott wave. There it's a quite usual pattern that you have a first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, and then a retrace. Well, you see here the first move and then back to the second. It's 50% down. So that's not that unusual actually. Elliott waves are based upon looking at charts and finding a pattern that happens a lot. So it's it happens quite a lot that these drops occur. So don't worry. Well, talking about patterns, perhaps you know this pattern. It's called the Bart Simpson because it goes up fast, almost straight, then up and down, and then straight down. Bart Simpson's head fits in quite nicely. Today I saw a new one. I don't know how to call it. I find it quite creative from the person who drew this. So the puking man, perhaps the puker, I don't know. A new pattern. Just trying to lighten people up and end with an advice, not financial advice, but more human advice. Keep calm and just hodl. My advice is if you would trade, keep tight stop losses because we don't know and never catch a falling knife is what they say. And when it's going down and you want to trade here, you might think here, okay, it's done, I'm buying here. Well, then it goes down again. And you might think the same here, perhaps it's done now. Well, it could be a falling knife that you're catching. So keep a tight stop loss if you want to trade, and else that would be my advice. Keep calm and just hodl and see what happens. If you believe in Bitcoin, there are a lot of larger, bigger companies getting into Bitcoin. I read an article on Reddit. I will share it with my post. that this might also be market manipulation by some big players, some big whales, because there isn't that much Bitcoin to be traded at the moment. So they are dumping Bitcoin to lower the price and trigger a lot of stop losses. So more Bitcoin comes available in the market, but I don't know if that's true. But it might be some kind of conspiracy theory, of course, but it might also be true. So if you have a strong belief in Bitcoin, take care, just hodl, and I'll see you another time. Bye bye, take care.